that woman with them red shoes on. We're gonna go out stepping, gonna wake the dawn. Me and that woman with them red shoes on. We're gonna go out stepping, gonna drink Patron, and we'll wake the neighbors when we get back home. Me and that woman with them red shoes on. Oh, I know that she wanna, 'cause she put them red shoes on. She did now. She got that moonshine dancing crazy on her eyes. I'm gonna take her home. I'm gonna make her mine, that little woman with them red shoes on. Oh, I know that she wanna, 'cause she put them red shoes on. Yes, she did now. She got that little flower there above her thigh. I'm gonna kiss her softly. I'm gonna make her cry, that little woman. Whoa, with them red shoes on. Ha! Listen here now. You see them red shoes stepping softly up them stairs, y'all. We've been married damn near 42 years, me and that woman. Whoa, with them red shoes on. Ha! Oh, I know that she wanna, 'cause she put them red shoes on. Oh, she tell me that she loved me when she put them red shoes on. It's called the River Song. There is a deep and muddy river where I'm from. It's where I belong. The banks are steep and the river is winding, waiting for my love to carry me home. When I was just a child, Lord, I was a child wandering, waiting for when I could roam. But I'm a little bit older now. This old world got smaller somehow, but that black river rolls through this soul like it's always done. It is a deep and muddy river where I'm from. It's where I belong. The banks are steep and the river is winding, waiting for my Lord to carry me home. Over yonder on the west bank was the beginning of the foothills to the Ozark Mountains and the great beyond. But right yonder on the east side, it wasn't nothing but cotton fields for 500 miles on down to the Mississippi shore. It is a deep and muddy river where I'm from. It's where I belong. The banks are steep and the river is winding, waiting for my Lord to carry me home. And when I go to sleep and don't wake with the morning, bury me in my river river home. Oh, bury me in my river home. I've been working so hard. Oh, I've been working so hard. But when I come home, I just wanna make love to you. When I come home, I've been grinding all night long. 18 hours grinding hard all night long. But when I come home, I just wanna make love to you. When I come home, oh now, woman, you know you make me feel so good. I say woman. All right. I've been working so hard. 20 years grinding gears hard all night long. But when I come home, I just wanna make love to you. When I come home, I say woman. You know you make me feel so good. I say woman. Hey, oh, when I come home, oh, your love keep lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. Come on, fill me up, lifting my desire. I'll be by your side forevermore. I see your love and keep on lifting me, and keep on lifting me higher and higher. see your love and keep on lifting me, and keep on lifting me higher and higher. Oh, now once I was broken hearted, disappointment was my only friend. And then you came, and soon he was departed. And now I know I'll never see his face again. That's why your love keep lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. Come on and fill me up, lifting my desire. I'll be by your side forevermore. I see your love, keep on lifting me, and keep on lifting me higher and higher. I'm so glad that I finally found you. You're less than one in a million, girl. And when I wrap my loving arms around you, I know I can stand and face the world. That's why your love keep lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. Come on and fill me up, lifting my desire. I'll be by your side forevermore. I see your love, keep on lifting me, and keep on lifting me higher and higher. I see your love keep lifting me up, oh no, lifting me higher and higher. Your love keep lifting me up, keep on lifting me up, lifting me higher and higher. Your love keep lifting me up, keep on lifting me up, lifting me higher and higher. Lifting me up, keep on lifting me up, lifting me higher and higher. Your love keep lifting me up, keep on lifting me up, lifting me higher and higher.
Thanks for watching as I made these bandsaw boxes. These are a really fun, easy, and rewarding project that I think turned out great. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And hit that like and subscribe button if you feel so inclined. And with that, you guys keep working in the shop.